In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an Atome QR code. We'll walk through the process inside the Atome app so you can quickly create a QRPH code for your payment. This is useful when you want to settle a bill or statement using the payment options provided in the app, and it only takes a few moments once you know where to go. To begin, launch the Atome app on your device. If the app asks you to log in first, go ahead and do that before moving on. Make sure you're fully signed in so you can access your billing and payment details without interruption. If your connection is slow, give the app a moment to load completely before tapping anything else. Once you're in, look for the bills icon and tap it. This section is where Atome shows the statements, balances, or payment dues currently available on your account. Taking a second here to confirm you're in the correct section can help you avoid selecting the wrong item later. Next, select the specific statement or payment due that you want to settle. This is an important step because the QR code that gets created will reflect the exact balance tied to the item you choose. After selecting the right bill or due amount, tap Pay Now to continue to the payment options screen. You'll then see a list of available payment methods. From this list, choose QRPH. Be sure to select that option specifically, since this is what tells the app to create a scannable payment code instead of directing you to a different payment method. If you see multiple options on screen, take a quick moment to verify that QRPH is the one highlighted before proceeding. As soon as you select QRPH, the app will immediately generate a unique QRPH code along with a barcode. These will display your exact payable balance, which means the amount is already tied to the code being shown on your screen. That helps make the payment process more accurate and convenient, especially when scanning through a supported payment channel. At this point, your Atome QR code is ready to use. Before making any payment, it's a good idea to double-check that the balance shown matches the statement or due you selected earlier. If everything looks correct, you can proceed with the payment using the generated QR code or barcode. And that's it. That's how to generate an Atome QR code directly in the app, starting from the bill section and ending with a ready-to-use QRPH payment code.